Assalamu alaikum 7th class. Hope you're all fine students. Unit number 6, electronic mail. Today we are going to start our new exercise, that is exercise C. Differentiate between the following. Today we are going to cover first two parts of exercise C. Number 1 is snail mail and email. Its answer is starting from the page number 1 to 7. Few years ago, we used to receive and send letters, greeting cards and invitation by post. This type of mail is known as traditional or snail mail because it takes average 2 to 3 days to receive mail. Students, snail mail is slang for the traditional paper mail sent by a postal service. The term snail mail is used because it can take days to receive a traditional mail message when email and more modern digital communication can take at most a few minutes to be delivered. Now the second part is email. Email is a type of mail to send and receive digital messages and content over the internet. Students, email is the short form for electronic mail, is one of the most widely used features of the internet. Along with the web, it allows you to send and receive messages to and from anyone with an email address anywhere in the world. Now the second part, username and email address. Username, it's on page number 130. The first part of an email address left to the sign at is called username or login name. Username is a unique name that a user chooses while creating an email account. Students, a username is a name that uniquely identifies someone on a computer system. For example, a computer may be set up with multiple accounts with different usernames for each account. Many websites allow users to choose a username so that they can customize their setting or set up an online account. Second part is email address. Its answer is on page number 129. An email account has a unique address that is called email address. A postal address is unique to a house, whereas an email address is unique to an individual user. Students, an email address is a unique identifier for an email account. It is used to both send and receive email messages over the internet. Similar to physical mail, an email message requires an address for the both sender and recipient in order to be sent successfully. Students, you have to learn these two differentiation. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.